to a very dreary sea day. My name is Christy. I'm a professional dancer and singer on cruise ships, and today is a sea day. It's the first full day of a cruise. Yesterday was embarkation day, where we welcomed all of our guests on board. We performed our welcome aboard show in the evening, and I worked very, very late. I want to say it was 11:45, maybe even 12 by the time I got back to my cabin last night. So it was a late one for sure. And then you have to think too, like winding down from shows too, you can't just come off stage and then go to bed. That's just crazy. That adrenaline is pumping. So by the time I got to sleep, it was probably 1, 2 a.m., which is very normal for us. But today is a very, very busy sea day. Our day does start at 1, which is fantastic. I'm so thankful for that. But once it starts, it doesn't stop. Last cruise, we were in what's called a cast change, which is where we were opening all of our shows. So we were rehearsing for our main stage shows during the day and then opening our shows in the evening. So our schedule was totally different than what it normally is during the contract. So this cruise is the start of a regular contract. We go into our regular crew duties. So there's a few things on top of our main stage shows that we have to perform, and very kindly the other departments covered for us last cruise while we were in cast change. So this cruise we're kind of paying them back and doing every single possible duty that we could ever be doing. So today is so busy because we are kind of backlogged from last cruise. So today I'm going to be starting with a story time at 1 p.m. today. It's so cute. I can't really show you much of it because of copyright reasons, but the kids love it. It's so sweet. I'm kind of corralling kids. I'm getting everyone involved. I'm helping tell a very, very cute story. It's quite a crowd pleaser. Then I'm going right into a dance class where I teach the guests a very sweet little half-hour line dance. They love it. It's a lot of fun to get everyone involved. Then we're going to go into show notes at 3, which is where we kind of clean and polish the show. There might be a few rough patches that we want to polish for this evening's main stage productions. So we're going to go into notes at 3. Then we're going to go into a rig check and dry run, which is where they run the whole show down without us doing the choreography and costume changes full out. So we'll just be in our spots for all the cues to make sure that everything is going properly, all the safety features are being observed, and we're just kind of what it's called places and faces. So we're in our places, we're giving faces, but there's no audience, and we're just making sure that everything is running smoothly. Now we're going to go into shows. We have 2 shows, 7:30 and 9:30. Those are 45-minute shows, and I love them. Tonight's show is super fun, so I'm going to show you some of that. And then lastly, we're going to be going into the piano bar for a half-hour set with the piano bar entertainer. We do the world's quickest shower from our show, and then we go into formal wear and go to piano bar. So that's going to lead us very, very late into the night. So we're going to be going all day today. But first, the most important meal of the day, breakfast, aka lunch, because I slept in, so their lunch is my breakfast. And then I have lunch at dinner, and then midnight mess is my dinner. Does that make sense? Okay, story time was super cute. The kids had a great time, and now I'm going to teach dance class. I had a few minutes to spare, so I ran back to the cabin and started doing my show hair so that it would be done and out of the way for rehearsal. I'm getting in position for the start of the show. I start in the audience. This is just rehearsal, but this is where I start. I sit right here in the audience, and then I just pop out on stage. It's a big surprise. rehearsal went really well, all went to plan, and now it's time to start doing my show makeup. For this show, it's a very simple, classic stage makeup look, and I had to giggle watching this footage back because you can see it was kind of rocky, and you can see the camera shaking. You are always constantly moving when you're working and living on a cruise ship. I always say when I'm doing my lipstick that my lips just kind of have a mind of their own. I feel like every time I draw on lipstick it looks different. I don't know if y'all struggle with that too, but it's always different, and I guess it just keeps things exciting. I think this is the final look. I just packed up all of my costumes and rushed home to take a very quick shower. I didn't even get to wash off all my makeup because we are in a time crunch. I got my formal wear on and we were heading to sing at Piano Bar. Piano Bar was a great success. I'm so tired, and as my British friends say, I am knackered. So I am going to head to bed. Thank you so much for joining me on this sea day. I will catch you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you are so inclined, and I'll see you later. Bye!